How to share Waze location on WhatsApp. Follow the instructions. Open the Waze app on your phone and ensure your GPS is turned on with active location services. Tap the search bar or Where to, then choose your destination or save favorite location. After selecting the location, tap the three-dot menu or More to view sharing options. Tap on Share Drive or Send Location depending on whether you're navigating or not. Select WhatsApp from the list of apps or tap More Apps if WhatsApp is not shown first. Choose the WhatsApp contact or group where you want to share your Waze location details. Tap the Send button in WhatsApp to share your location or ETA with the selected person. Receiver can tap the shared link to view your location or follow your route live in Waze. Thank you for watching.